favorite heart balloon designs is actually a one balloon design that has a heart with two lovebirds smooching it up right there on the heart. You need to take a balloon and inflate it, leaving just the smallest amount of tail on the end. We're going to go back to the end with the knot, and we're going to make a bubble. It's about 3 inches long. That's going to be the tail of one of our little lovebirds. And then we're going to make another bubble, a little bit smaller, and then an even smaller bubble. Now, that is going to be the bird's head. The second bubble is the bird's body, and we remember the tail part. Now we are going to work our way backwards and make our other bird, his little head and little body, and at the base, we're going to lock them together. Very similar to the poodle legs, or the French poodle that we made. Now we have lovebirds. We're going to go all the way around to the end, and we're going to get another bubble. It's about the length of the first bubble that we made, because that's going to be our other bird's tail. And we're going to lock our loop together and then sit the birds up right in there. And you can see right now we have lovebirds on a perch. Now, though our loop is smaller, we can do exactly what we did to our other heart. Tuck it in, and hey, there's only room for one hand, but give it a squeeze right in there, and it'll pop out, and with one balloon, you've made two lovebirds kissing on a heart. This is great for newlyweds and the little lovey-dovey's in the crowd.